incredible natural wonders you must see before you die. Earth is full of places so extraordinary that they almost feel unreal. These are the locations that don't just impress you, they change something inside you. From glowing deserts to impossible waterfalls, from ancient mountains to landscapes shaped by fire and ice, these natural wonders remind us how powerful, mysterious, and beautiful our planet truly is. Today, we're exploring 10 incredible natural wonders you must see before you die. Each one is breathtaking, each one unforgettable, and each one proves that nature still creates masterpieces beyond human imagination. Let's begin. Special 1, the Grand Canyon, United States. Carved over millions of years by the Colorado River, the Grand Canyon stretches for nearly 450 kilometers and plunges more than 1,800 meters deep. Standing on the rim, you feel tiny compared to the endless layers of red, gold, and orange rock. Every layer is a chapter of Earth's history, written over 2 billion years. When sunlight hits the canyon walls, the entire landscape changes color. Sunrise and sunset create shadows that move like slow waves. Whether you hike down, explore the rim, or view it from above, the Grand Canyon forces you to pause and appreciate just how ancient and powerful nature really is. 2. Victoria Falls, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Victoria Falls is known as the smoke that thunders, and once you hear it, you understand why. This is one of the largest waterfalls on Earth, spanning more than a kilometer wide and dropping up to 108 meters into a deep, roaring gorge. The force of the falling water creates a massive cloud of mist that rises into the sky like smoke. Sometimes, you can see rainbows stretching across the canyon, and on rare nights, you can even witness a lunar rainbow, a rainbow created by moonlight instead of the sun. Victoria Falls isn't just a waterfall, it's a natural orchestra of sound, water, and light. Number 3, the Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers, the Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral system on Earth and one of the most diverse ecosystems ever discovered. Thousands of species of fish, sharks, turtles, rays, and corals live here, creating a living underwater city full of color and movement. Swimming or diving in the reef is like entering another world. Bright coral gardens, blue waters, and countless marine creatures turn the ocean into an enormous, vibrant playground. Even from above, the reef looks like a giant mosaic of turquoise and deep blue. This is one of Earth's greatest treasures and one of its most fragile. Navapur, Mount Everest, Nepal and China. Mount Everest stands at 8,849 meters, making it the tallest mountain in the world. You don't need to climb it to feel its power. Even viewing it from nearby valleys or from the Everest Base Camp Trail gives you a sense of awe. Everest is surrounded by deep cultural history, sacred traditions, and breathtaking landscapes. Snow-covered peaks stretch across the Himalayas like frozen waves. For climbers, it represents the ultimate challenge. For everyone else, it's a reminder of Earth's raw, ancient strength. Number 5, the Northern Lights, Arctic regions. The Northern Lights are one of nature's most magical spectacles. These glowing waves of green, pink, and violet dance across the night sky, created by solar particles colliding with Earth's atmosphere. When the lights appear, the sky transforms completely. The colors shift, swirl, and ripple in silence, almost like the sky itself is breathing. You can see them in places like Norway, Iceland, Canada, and Finland. No matter where you watch them, the Northern Lights are a surreal reminder that our planet is full of surprises. Number 6, the Amazon rainforest, South America. The Amazon is the largest rainforest on Earth, home to millions of species, many of them still undiscovered. Its rivers twist through dense green jungle the size of an entire continent. Walking through the Amazon is a full sensory experience. The air is thick and warm. Birds, insects, and animals create constant sound. Massive trees rise toward the sky, and sunlight filters down in golden beams. This rainforest is often called the lungs of the Earth because it produces so much of the planet's oxygen. It's wild, alive, and ancient. 7. Antelope Canyon, United States. Antelope Canyon looks like it was carved by an artist, but it was shaped naturally by wind and flash floods over thousands of years. The canyon's narrow passageways and flowing shapes create some of the most stunning rock formations in the world. When sunlight enters the canyon, it creates glowing beams of orange, red, and soft gold. The walls appear to melt and twist like waves frozen in stone. Every angle looks like a photograph. and every movement reveals a new pattern. It's one of the most surreal and photogenic natural wonders on the planet. 8. The Sahara Desert, Africa. The Sahara is the largest hot desert in the world. Its golden dunes stretch endlessly across 11 countries, shaped constantly by the wind. Some dunes rise hundreds of meters high, creating landscapes that look like oceans made of sand. At sunrise and sunset, the dunes glow with deep red and orange tones. At night, the sky becomes unbelievably clear, revealing thousands of stars. The silence of the desert is unlike anywhere else, pure, deep, and powerful. Visiting the Sahara feels like stepping into another planet. Now, number 9, the Cliffs of Moher, Ireland. The Cliffs of Moher rise up to 214 meters above the Atlantic Ocean. Waves crash below, sending mist into the air, while the wind carries the sound of the sea across the cliff tops. Green fields stretch back from the edge, and seabirds circle overhead. On a clear day, you can see distant islands and rolling waves far below. The cliffs show the dramatic, rugged beauty of Ireland, where nature meets the sea in a powerful display of height and force. Number 10, the Himalayas, South Asia. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range on Earth, home to Mount Everest and thousands of other massive peaks. But this region is more than just mountains. It's filled with deep valleys, ancient villages, crystal clear rivers, and sacred temples that have existed for centuries. The air is thin, fresh, and cold. The landscapes shift from forests and rivers to snowy peaks and icy winds. The Himalayas represent ancient history, natural beauty, and cultural depth all in one incredible place. These 10 natural wonders show the extraordinary range of beauty our planet holds. Some are massive and powerful, others are peaceful and quiet. All of them remind us that Earth is a masterpiece created by time, weather, and natural forces beyond human control. If you ever have the chance to visit even one of these places, it will stay with you forever.